Welcome, and thank you for joining me today. In today's meditation, we will focus on self-love and healing. Self-love is the foundation of peace, confidence, and happiness, but so often we forget to give it to ourselves. We give so much energy to others, but rarely pause to turn that same compassion inward. For the next 10 minutes, this is your space to remember your worth, to quiet the voice of doubt, and to strengthen the voice of kindness. With every breath, we will practice letting go of self-criticism and inviting in self-acceptance. This meditation is not about perfection, it's about presence. It's about noticing your thoughts and feelings and gently guiding them back toward love, toward compassion, and toward healing. So allow yourself to soften into this moment. Trust that these next minutes are a gift to your body, your mind, and your heart. Let us begin. Finding time like this isn't easy, but is so worth it. This is your time, a few minutes just for you. As you settle in, allow your body to relax, your breath to slow, and your mind to soften. You've arrived in a space of peace, a place where healing, growth, and inner calm can unfold. Each breath you take brings you deeper into balance, releasing tension and opening your heart. This is your sanctuary, your reset, your reminder that you are safe, you are present, and you are exactly where you need to be. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out gently. Again, inhale fully, filling your lungs with fresh energy. And exhale, softening your body with every breath. Now, let's begin a simple body scan. Bring your awareness to the very top of your head, the crown. Imagine a soft, warm light resting there. With each inhale, feel this light expand. With each exhale, feel any tension begin to release. Slowly guide your attention downward, across your forehead, around your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Notice if you're holding on to tightness here. Breathe in, feel energy flowing to that space. Breathe out and consciously let it dissolve. Continue scanning downward into your neck and shoulders. These areas often carry stress. Allow them to soften. Imagine the energy melting like warm sunlight on your skin. Now, bring your awareness to your arms. Feel the weight of your arms resting naturally. Notice a gentle energy dancing through your fingertips, a tingling flow that reminds you you're alive, you're present. Shift your focus into your chest. Feel the steady rhythm of your breath rising and falling. With each inhale, imagine fresh life filling your chest. With each exhale, imagine any heaviness being released. Now, gently notice your stomach. Maybe you sense small butterflies, a gentle flutter of energy. Allow this feeling to be there. Acknowledge it without judgment. With your breath, let the energy soften and move freely. Guide your awareness down through your hips, your legs, your knees, and finally to your feet. Feel the solid connection of your body to the earth. Imagine roots grounding you, steady and strong. Take one last deep, nourishing breath in and exhale fully. Your whole body is now relaxed, awake, and present. You've scanned from head to toe, dissolving tension, and bringing light to each part of yourself. This is mindfulness, being here in this moment, aware of your body and your breath. Now that you've arrived fully in this moment, let's invite in the feeling of love. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, repeat silently to yourself, I am enough. Again, breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, I am worthy of love. I choose to love myself exactly as I am. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Now repeat these words silently or out loud if you wish. I deserve peace. I deserve love just as I am. I deserve to feel confident. I deserve to be here in this moment. Each affirmation is a reminder of your worth, your value, your right to simply exist and thrive. Keep breathing with me. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. I deserve kindness from myself and from others. I deserve to let go of the past. I deserve to step into my future with strength and clarity. Feel the truth of these words. Let them settle in your heart, in your mind, in your body. One last deep, nourishing breath in, and as you exhale, repeat, I deserve this. Carry that truth with you. Feel those words settle into your body. Notice how they shift your energy, even in small ways. Now imagine a soft, warm light glowing at the center of your chest. With every breath, this light grows brighter. It expands outward through your chest, your arms, your face, until your whole body is surrounded by a radiant glow. This light is your love, your compassion, your healing. See it dissolve the weight of judgment, the shadows of doubt, the scars of the past. What remains is a clear, steady flame of love for yourself and from yourself. Stay with this light for a moment. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. Let it remind you that self-love is always here, waiting for you to return. As we come to the end of this practice, take a moment to notice how you feel. Breathe in gratitude for the time you've given yourself, and breathe out anything that no longer serves you. Carry this sense of calm, love, and presence with you into the rest of your day. Remember, self-love is not just a practice, it's a way of living. Whenever you need to return to this space, know that it's always here for you. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and remember, you are worthy, you are enough, and you are deeply loved.